Good morning and welcome to my FinTax Chronicles for today 13th June 2025. Chronicles 13th June 2025. Economic Outlook. Retail inflation dips. Retail inflation hit a 6-year low at 2.82% in May 2025, easing pressure on RBI. Affordable homes plunge. Affordable housing supply dropped 54% YoY to 7,124 units in Q1 2025. India's population risk. India's fertility rate fell to 1.9, below replacement level, affecting long-term growth. Legal developments. Stampede case bail. Karnataka HC granted interim bail to RCB official, DNA executives in IPL stampede. Shabir Shah bail denied. Delhi HC denied bail to Shabir Shah, citing high risk of witness influence. Banking and finance. RBI infuses 26,000 crore rupees. RBI accepted 25,740 crore rupees worth of bids in bond buyback auction. Bajaj slashes rates. Bajaj Finance cuts deposit rates again, ends senior citizen benefits on FDs. Non-SLR investments jump. Banks' non-SLR investments rose 15% YoY in FY25, SLR up only 10%. FSIP to select GIC Re head. Selection process to appoint next CMD of GIC Re to start shortly. RBI cancels VRR auction. RBI cancelled 14-day VRR auction for third consecutive fortnight. Corporate finance. Reliance sells Asian Paints stake. Sold 3.6% stake to SBI MF for 7,704 crore rupees in record block deal. PhonePe bulk deal. Sold CE Info Systems shares worth 486 crore rupees in BSE bulk deal. Oswal pumps IPO. To raise 890 crore rupees fresh capital and 497 crore rupees via offer for sale. Skoda bets on automatics. Aims for 70% sales via automatic cars, up from current 50% share. Volvo picks HCL Tech. Signs HCL Tech for end-to-end engineering services from India Center. Mercedes custom cars surge. Top-end buyers spend 60L 1.5 CR extra, G63 edition gets 30 bookings. International affairs. Modi heads to G7. PM Modi's visit to Canada G7 summit may reset Indo-Canadian ties. BRICS unites on terror. India leads BRICS in unanimous condemnation of Pahalgam terror attack. Tax and compliances. GST notice to Ashoka. Ashoka Buildcon gets GST notice for Caesar at Nashik office. Bonus relief for FDI barred firms. India allows bonus shares to NRIs in sectors where FDI is restricted. Investments and finance. India INC ECB falls. ECB filings dipped to $2.9 billion in April versus $11.04 billion in March. Rare earth crunch nears. India may run out of key EV magnets by mid-July due to China curbs. Battery recyclers scale up. Attero, Loham to raise magnet recycling capacity tenfold by FY27. Light rare earth tested. E2W firms test light magnets to bypass China's heavy rare earth ban. Fireflies hits $1 billion valuation. AI meeting assistant startup crosses $1 billion, adds real-time web search. Financial markets. Indices fall 1%. Nifty, Sensex drop due to West Asia tensions and crude oil surge. OMCs fall, all firms rise. HPCL, BPCL drop 4 to 6%, ONGC, All India gain on crude price rally. Boeing shares tumble. Boeing stock fell 4% post-Dreamliner crash, AI 171 losses may exceed $150 million. Gold gains 1,215 rupees. Gold prices rise to 97,065 rupee per 10 grams, investors flee to safe assets. Wall Street seeks risk.